nuisance is considered to be open season, daytime, nighttime, spotlights, infrared scope, silencer, trap, roaming dogs. You can blow them up with a bomb. They don't care how or why. They want you to get rid of the pigs. The good thing about them is they taste really good, especially the ones from out here. I like them a lot better. You know why? You can see where they're coming from. You can see what they're eating. They're probably a lot better for you. Yeah, that one back there, that's like candied pork. I have to go wait for Thanksgiving and Christmas to get back. But they're probably a lot better for you. Now, people say wild pork tastes bad. They say it's gamey. They got all kinds of different things. It's not at all. It's really good. It just doesn't have lots of fat. They're very lean because of what they had to eat out here. So if you don't know how to cook it and you ruin it, you're just going to tell people it doesn't taste good. So it's all about really how you cook it.
And if you don't kill it immediately, the adrenaline, if it doesn't die immediately, that adrenaline gets in the muscle and that causes them to be a little game. I learned that in Alabama.
Yeah, I do headshots. So
there you go, right there.
No pain, no gain on that.
It's the same with the buck deer.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the lean muscle on the deer.
In Alabama, that's how I used to go all the time.
You got to know all about this.
They'll kill them right off the bat.
Make kids high school stuff, take lots of different classes. Like that.
That's what makes it taste gamey too. If you don't cook
Hey,
it.
on Dad's next trip here to Fort Myers,
I've got them up.
Go back there.
no more.
Yeah, my dad did the same thing. I had one I showed him, made trophy, made money off of it. And birthday was sitting on the grill.
Is that why
Got beat up.
There for a while, he was coming by our house like once a week, every other week, something like that.
Короче, сейчас едем уже обратно на парковку. Едем обратно и, короче, и домой. Это была последняя поездка сегодня. Там еще одна птичка бегает. Короче, голова торчит. Вот сейчас она вылезет. Вот. Вот такое дерево. Многие деревья тут падают после плохой погоды.
2 часа. Час еще. Я начала видео делать, и Ленка мне сказала.
To the left we have humans.
What's up? Girlfriend's back there. Yeah? Better hurry up. I say better hurry up. You want to check out that raccoon guy?
Where?
Somebody asked about one and they found one.
Where?
Oh, you know anybody else back there? What? Cute.
You live in Ohio.
Something that can rip your face off is technically cute.
You live in Ohio.
Это инарчик. Лена, давай сюда садись, пожалуйста. Я попробую попить.
I know they get that's that 60-pound ring. She was living in my shit. Yeah, she was about 40, 50 pounds. Man, she was huge. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
There's one. Trash pan at 3 o'clock.
Look at him, check him out. There he is, baby.
Yeah, that's a small one.
Енот, ракун.
Raccoon right there.
Hey, look.
Yeah, here he comes. There he comes.
Everybody look at my room.
Raccoon.
Come on, bud.
Get you some.
Got some marshmallows.
Everybody on the opposite side of the raccoon can stand up and y'all can sit.
What up, Coon?
Now he's going to be very cautious going next to the water. Anybody want to guess why?
Predator.
Exactly. He's trying to eat them.
See, he's gonna wash it first.
I love how they do
So let me go over here to my spot.
Or in the attic.
Wash this off. Back.
Oh yeah.
Они стоят сзади тебя, ты чё? Тебя смотрят. Стоят, смотрят.
What is that, Darren? What do you see?
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
That raccoon?
Now, that's the first myth. I was waiting on these myths. How y'all doing? She's back there if you want to hurry up.
He's so clean like you. Washes everything before he
Somebody just said that look how cute wash the marshmallow off. They're not worried about their marshmallows clean or dirty. Does anybody know why they do that? They cannot produce spit. Their saliva glands are very poor, so for them to actually moisten their food up and soften it, they dip it in the water. So they don't worry about cleaning their food. And also another thing about raccoons, people think that they're nocturnal. Even schools teach that, and not in the daytime. Hey, look underneath their eyes. Black, just like a football player, right? Yeah. Well, they don't play football at night with lines under their eyes, right? It keeps the sun out of them. So they're not nocturnal. Just when they live around people, the safest time to come out is at nighttime. When? No people are around, guys.
So they're not nocturnal.
And the third myth about them, people say just because they're out in the daytime that there's something wrong with them. They have rabies or the rash. He's pretty healthy to me.
Yeah, very healthy.
They just tell you that because they want you to stay with them.
Yeah, they will hurt. It's safe not because they all have.
Not saying that they don't get it. I just personally have never seen one with rabies here. I've seen them with what's called the stiffer. It's kind of act kind of like they're drunk and they're kind of wobbling around and stuff.
That's what that one had across the street from us. Yeah.
It's kind of like that, I guess.
Yeah.
See there?
Probably the same.
Yeah.
What'd you see?
Everybody do.
Марчик. Oh, here. Yeah. So we back. Марчик, я вообще голая здесь. В остальной момент я сняла.
I can only give you the marshmallow.
Ты потом видео это, да?
Ладно, давай.
Лена, прежде чем
Keep your
поставить,
eyes
добрый
open,
день.
guys. It's a good spot to find some critters.
Обязательно.
Она может выбрать, да?
Any questions so far? You seen that? You know what that was?
Бля,